Hello traders, today is 17th of August 2023. We had an amazing trade, guys. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market on Kiwi dollar. Pretty straightforward. Yesterday from the New York session, we've been short trade here. As you can see here, yesterday we had a beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit. This morning, as you can see here, the price rejection here, so we had a beautiful counter opportunity long on Kiwi dollar. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market in intraday. Pretty straightforward. As you can see here, based on my previous analysis, this is the analysis at the Asian session. Beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, as explained by trader bank some profit. And this morning, as you can see here, just before the London Open, as explained, we're going to keep an eye, as explained here, let the market break this structure. And if the market is going to break, that's the high probability trade. As you can see here, market nicely broken based on the structure as soon as the price is about to hit to the 200 EMA in our intraday system. And that's what I explained my trader, it's time to tighten your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even, or you can enjoy some amazing profit. All right guys, you want to see those analyses in real time? Most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day, guys.